Unlock your Merch by Amazon earnings by seamlessly connecting your account to Payoneer in this quick, step-by-step guide. First, if you don't already have a Payoneer account, you'll need to create one. Head over to the Payoneer website and click on Register. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your profile, providing necessary personal and financial information. This process ensures a secure and verified account for receiving your payments. Once your Payoneer account is set up and verified, log into your Merch by Amazon seller account. Navigate to your account settings. Look for the Payment or Banking Information section, which is where you'll configure how you get paid. Within the Merch by Amazon payment settings, you'll find options to add or update your banking details. Here is where you'll select that you wish to receive payments via bank transfer or international wire transfer, depending on the options presented. Now, you'll need to get your Payoneer bank details. Log into your Payoneer account and locate the Receive Money or Bank Details section. Payoneer provides you with specific bank account and routing information that you'll use to link with Merch by Amazon. These details are unique to your Payoneer account. Carefully enter the bank name, account number, and routing number provided by Payoneer into the corresponding fields on your Merch by Amazon account settings page. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Even a small typo can cause delays or rejection of your payments. After entering your Payoneer bank details, submit the changes in your Merch by Amazon account. You might receive a confirmation email from Merch by Amazon verifying the update. Payoneer may also require a simple verification step from your end within your Payoneer account to confirm the linked external bank. And that's it. Moving forward, your Merch by Amazon royalty payments will be automatically deposited directly into your Payoneer account, making managing your earnings simpler and more efficient than ever before. Congratulations on connecting your accounts.